Ready for Whited42 Saturdays with all your favorite characters. All your favorite characters all in one spot.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Whited42 Saturdays. This week we've got a nice little short. I'm sure you'll like it. This is Baringa. Obviously, as you can see from this subtitle below that was there a couple seconds ago. Anyway, so in this little short, we show you the life of a base of one of Pengy's bases. Yeah, a base of one of Pengy's bases. Anyway, we show you what it's like to live in one of Pengy's bases.
What a nice day today. Hope it's sunny outside. Boy, it's Saturday today. Well, it sure is nice up here today. Whoa, look out that window. What an awesome view. Wait, I thought I just heard something.
Oh. Yes. Looking out that beautiful window. Great day today. Now, let's go have some breakfast. Aqua's always up first, and he makes the best.
Oh, hey, Baringa. Hey, Aqua. I wonder if Penguin's still sleeping. It's a great day today. Well, hopefully it doesn't take too long. Yeah, I wanted to see this awesome sunshine. Aqua. Yeah, Aqua must be up already. Okay, I'm coming, Aqua. Oh boy, I'm hungry. Oh, here he comes. Good morning, guys. Checking out the awesome view of the sunshine? Yep, and we couldn't do it without you here. Nope, not at all. Yep. Best view on the best Saturday ever. 'Cause we're gonna stay home and have some fun. Well, I'll go get breakfast ready. Oh man, he makes the best bacon and eggs ever. And I mean ever. Aqua, best bacon and eggs as always. Nom, 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 nom. Like it, huh? Disgusting. But I appreciate that you like my bacon and eggs. Oh, no one could hate your bacon and eggs. They're the best. Well, not exactly the best. They are pretty good, right? Oh, no one can disagree with that. No one. And I mean, no one can disagree with Aqua's bacon and eggs being bad. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna go back to my room, okay? Okay. Bye. Okay. Well, it's just us two. Yeah. Best friends forever, right? We are best friends since I was born. Same. You're older than me by about... You're older than me by about 3 months or so? Yeah. And we're about... I don't know. Okay, in dog years, I am about... let's see. 4. Yeah, 4. That's not much. Oh, yes, it is. In dog years, it is. If I was a human, I'd be around... 16, I guess? Whoa. Plus the 4 needs 20. I know you know your math. You're better than me. Country. You choose a country for me. Okay, you must find Zambia. Oh, I know this one. That's Australia, Indonesia, China, Zambia. There. Good job. To start off the day, I'm going to go play some video games. Pinky, wanna be 2-player? Nah, I'm gonna read a book, okay? Hey, Baringo, what have you been doing? Oh, nothing. Just been snacking down on a little something I made up, but you guys should need it. You guys don't like meat that much. Well, sure, you like whatever you like. I like meat, but not too much of it. Yeah, you like meat, okay. Well, Pengy likes fish, which is meat. Okay? Yeah, I got it. I'm just gonna go play some video games. Coming? Nah, thanks. I'll go, you know what? I'll just go on the computer. I'm sending an email to my girlfriends, so yeah. Oh, and by the way, I made a new file, okay? New file on the video game, huh? So there's 6 files on Sonic Adventure DX. Okay.
I do it.
Oh,
we can't do more. I can't. This guy can't.
Yeah. Okay, chapter 20. The Death of the Horizon. Ooh, this looks like a good chapter. Okay, look at the phone. Oh, it's raining right now. Gotcha. Bearing is in love. Oh wait, I am in too. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Where is Simo? She might be with her family. Catching some penguins. Nah, she likes penguins. She doesn't like them as a food. She just can't say things properly. She likes penguins, not as a food. She doesn't like to eat penguins. There. Let's just say that. Oh, man, that took a while. Finally finished that book. That didn't actually take a while.